Apple has released iOS 14 update. A lot of users have been reporting that their iPhone stuck on terms and conditions, so they could not update their iPhone to latest version of iOS. In this video, I will show you how to download the update. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that VPN and low power mode are turned off. Make sure that your iPhone has charged above 50%. Make sure that your iPhone has around 5 to 6 GB free space. Solution 1 is sign out of iCloud and sign in back. To do this, go to Settings app. Here, tap on your name. Scroll down the screen to bottom and tap sign out. Then enter your Apple ID password and tap turn off. If you want to keep a copy of your data on this iPhone, turn on these features, then tap sign out in the top right corner. Again tap on sign out to confirm this process. Now go to software update screen, then agree the terms and conditions. Now it will be download the update. Once updated, sign in back to iCloud. Solution 2 is turn on and turn off airplane mode. Go to Settings app. Enable airplane mode and wait for a minute. Now disable airplane mode. Solution 3 is turn off and turn on your iPhone. To do this, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Now scroll down the screen to bottom and tap Shutdown. Turn off your iPhone by dragging the slide to power off slider to right side. Once you turned off, wait for 30 seconds and turn on your iPhone. Now try to agree the terms and conditions. Solution 4 is change your region. To do this, go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Now tap on Language and Region. Here, tap on Region. If you are living in UK or any other country, then switch it to US and vice versa. Now agree the terms and conditions. Once done, you can select your country again. Solution 5 is reset network settings. This process resets your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. Make sure that you know your Wi-Fi passwords. To do this, go to Settings app. Next, tap on General. Now scroll down and tap Reset. Here, you have to select Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Then connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi.